Happy day, my dear kids. Today we are going to revise chapter 1. Look at this video and prepare well for your periodic assessment test 1. Today we are going to see revision of chapter 1, numbers up to 10,000. In lesson 1, the important concept that you have to learn is reading and writing numbers. How to read the given number and how to write the given number. It is more important in chapter 1. Here you have to concentrate on the spellings of ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Memorize these spellings, then only you can write the number name for the given number. 2135. After reading the given number, you have to write the given number in the form of number name. 2135. In this way, you have to write the number name for the given number. If the number names are given, then you have to write the number for the given number name using the place value. On right side, you have to start ones. 50 means tens place, tens. Then hundreds place, 6 is in hundreds place. Then if you write the place values as like this, then it is very easy for you to write the number. Now in thousands place 3 is there, so you have to write the number here. 3657. 3657. In this order you have to write the number for the given number name. Next one is missing numbers. Listen here. 2040 plus 5 is given. You have to combine all these values together and write here what number comes after adding all these three numbers. If you write the place values as like this, then it is very easy for you to write the value correctly. In ones place 5 is there, so you have to write 5 here. In tens place 40 means 4 tens, so you have to write 4 under tens place. Then in hundreds place nothing is there, so you have to write 0 under hundreds place. Then in thousands place 2 is there, so you have to write 2 under thousands place. In this way you have to write the number by adding the given values using place value. 4-digit number is given. From this you have to find the value of the given number. 4 is in ones place, so you have to write the value as 4 here. Then 2 is in tens place, so 2 tens are 20. Then 8 is in hundreds place, so 8 hundreds are 800. So you have to write here 4 and here as 800. Then 6 is in thousands place, so you have to write the value as 6000. 630, so 6000. So these are the values for the given number. We can call this as the digit. Now I start with the digit. If I point out this 2, the digit 2 stands for 2 tens, so 20. If I point out the digit 8, then 8 is in hundreds place, so 8 hundreds are 800. The digit 8 stands for 800. Okay children, you can also find out the place value of the given number. Here the number 2 is in what place? Ones, tens. The number 2 is in tens place. The number 4 is in which place? The number 4 is in ones place. The number 6 is in which place? The number 6 is in thousands place. Likewise, you have to find the place value of the given number also. Next concept is comparing numbers, comparing two numbers and comparing three numbers. Here we are comparing only two numbers. You have to check using the place values here. Comparison should be done using place values. It is very easy if you use place values. Starts from thousands place, 4 is there. Here also 4 is there. So 4, 4, which is in thousands place, same value. So we cannot find which is greater or which is smaller. Now move to hundreds place. In hundreds place 3 is here, but in this number in hundreds place 2 is there. So from these two numbers, which is greater, 3 or 2? 3 is greater and 2 is smaller. So if you want to write the given number as greater, then in thousands place both are same, but in hundreds place 3 is greater. So you have to write this number as a greater number. This value is greater than this value. If you want to check the smaller number, 3 is greater than 2, so 2 is small. So 4264 is smaller than this value. As we have seen in comparing two numbers, we have to compare three numbers in the same manner using place values. Start from first number. In thousands place 5 is there, 5, 4, then 4. So in all the three numbers, first value, that means thousands place value. While comparing the numbers, we have to consider from thousands place only, not from ones place. Starts from thousands place to compare the numbers. So from the given numbers, in thousands place 5 is greater than, 5 is the greatest number compared to other two numbers in thousands place. From these three, which is the greatest number? 5 is the greatest number. So you have to write this number as the greatest number compared to these values. Clear? After writing this as a first number, greatest number, then you have to compare these two to find the greater number. In hundreds place 9 and 9, so both are same. Then move to tens place, 8 and 7. In these two numbers in tens place, which is greater? 8 is greater. So you have to write this as a second number, this 4-digit number as a second number. Then finally we get the last number as 4973 as the smallest number. Hope you all clear. So using place values, if we compare the number, it will be very easy to find out which is the greatest number or which is the smallest number. As I said already, to compare the number using place values, then we can find the greatest or smallest number, and we can also arrange the given numbers using place values. Next concept is number patterns. In number patterns, first we should know to add more than one number or more than 10 number or less than one number, less than 10 number. As such, we have given so many problems under number patterns to do more than and less than concept. So more than means addition and less than means subtraction. If 1 is given, 1 more than means in ones place you have to add 1 more. If 1 less than means in ones place you have to less one value, that means to subtract one value in ones place. 10 more than means in tens place you have to add one more. In tens place means this 2 is in tens place, you have to add only one value. Here 10 means in tens place 1 is there, so you have to add 1 with the given tens place value. 2 plus 1 is 3, so 300. So 3634 is the answer. So as similar to the previous two more than and less than numbers, you have to do for 1000 more than and 1000 less than also. You have to add one value in thousands place if it is given as 1000 more than, and you have to subtract one value in thousands place if it is given as 1000 less than. What number comes next or what number comes between? This comes under number patterns. You have to check from ones place. In ones place 2, 2, 2 is there for all the three numbers. Then move to tens place 4, 4, 4. Then move to hundreds place 5, 4, 3, or from the beginning 3, 4, 5. Then what comes in next in empty box? 5000. Instead of in hundreds place only the value changes, it increases by 1 from the beginning 3, 4, 5. Then it in next box we will get 5642, which means in previous number 5 is there. If you add one value, then we get the answer as 5642. Come to the next number. Starts from ones place 2. In all the three numbers, ones place value is 2, tens place value is 4, hundreds place value is 3, but in thousands place there is a change. In first number 5 is there, in second number 6 is there, in third number 7 is there. Then what comes in next number? 8. 8342, 8342. Then what comes in next one? After 8 what comes? 9. Adding 1 with thousands place, then you will get 9. 9342. So in this way you have to do the number patterns also. Revise the chapter thoroughly. Then do your periodic assessment test by reading the question clearly. Hope you all understood about the chapter numbers up to 10,000. If you want to see the detailed videos of chapter 1, subscribe this channel Red Hot Spicy Samayal and watch the videos in playlist. Thank you dears.